Okay guys, so in this video I'll talk about making directories in Linux. Now I'm in the documents directory here, and there is one subdirectory, it's called threads, and I want to make a next directory. I can just use mkdir and the name of the directory. So let's say the name of the directory is physics. So I run that ls. So now you have a directory called physics. You want to make sure that it's a directory. You run the ls-lh human readable form. You can see that the D in the permissions column is indicating that physics is a directory. What if we want to make, you know, um, a next directory with a tree structure? So you run the mkdir-p, and if the directory name is, let's say, yoga slash health, or I should say yoga breathing slash tm. All right, so this is making one subdirectory. Directory called yoga. Within yoga you have breathing, within breathing you have tm. Let's see what happens here. So now if I go to cd yoga ls, you have breathing, right? So I go to breathing ls, within breathing you have tm. So cd tm ls, and there's nothing more there. So now if we want to, so I'm just toggling my way up back, right? If we want to, we're within documents and we have one is called physics and one is called yoga with a tree structure. Now what if we want to make us, like we want to make two directories with tree structure? Like we have yoga breathing tm. What if we want to make yoga breathing let's see, I'm just using terms that I kind of know a little about. Yoga breathing, yes, surya. So I can go, I can make a directory called within now yoga, another directory, right? And how do I do that? mkdir dash p yoga again slash, and I'm gonna make it in line with breathing. So when you click on yoga you'll have breathing and something else. So let us say yoga physical, let's go with that, physical slash um yeah, surya namaskar. All right, hit enter. Now, so what I did here, yoga is the parent, and you have a subdirectory here of breathing and physical, and within breathing you have tm going down, and here you have physical in the other branch, and within physical you have surya namaskar. So let us see. So here I am showing, let's do ls-lh, and I just see the directory structures. Now let us go into yoga. ls. So ls-lh. So you see here now, within yoga, you have breathing and physical, right? Now if we go into physical, You see you have Surya Namaskar, right? If you go up back into yoga, we do an LS, and we go into breathing, right? So CD, breathing. When you do an LS, you have TM. So you have a tree structure here now, right? You can make directories. You can make a directory with a tree structure, and then you can build on that and make other directories. Now, if you wanted to make two sets of tree structure, for example, I wanted to make I'm here, and I wanted to make a next directory called let's say maths, algebra, indices, and at the same time want math, graphs, quadratic. I can do an mkdir dash p, right? And math, algebra, indices, and one space, again math, graphs, quadratic. All right. Now what we got here? We got a directory called math. So if I go into math, what I have two. You see, I have the second layer. You have math algebra and math graphs. So you have two subdirectories here, algebra and graphs. Now within algebra, you'll have indices, and within graphs, you'll have quadratics. So let's go into algebra. LS. So you see there's indices. Now I'm going to go back. And now I'm listing again. And I'm going to go into graphs. Alright. And within graphs, there's quadratics. So I've shown here how to make a simple directory, how to make a tree structure directory, and how to make a two or multiple tree structure directory all in one command. Right? So I'll stop here for this video. Try to practice this or look at it and get an idea, before you start to run any commands. So I'll stop here for today. Enjoy your Linux.